Nurturing time is happy and memorable. In order to commemorate it, the founder of our brand made breast milk into beautiful jewelry and created the brand 撒宝妈妈. Our company provides DIY kits for making breast milk jewelry, fental hair souvenirs, umbilical cord souvenirs, and so on. Moms can make these souvenirs at home. At the same time, we also provide you with quality customized service. We will continue to release videos on the production of breast milk jewelry and fental hair jewelry, as well as the display of finished jewelry on this channel. Please pay attention.